Alright, here we have a 1972 Kawasaki H2 750. I just got done restoring it for a customer. I'm videotaping it for reference. It does have a couple pretty much in stock condition. It's a low VIN number bike. I did upgrade it with some DID aluminum wheels. But all in all, it's all intact and stock. Chain oiler, toolkit, spark plug holder. Paint is done by LRC Triples, and most of the parts were acquired from Z1 Enterprises in Oceanside, California. It's gonna take me that long to do these. It's nice bike. Fire her up. This will be the next bike I'm videoing. 74 H2, 72 motor, fast by gas cylinders, retro. Just waiting on one or two little parts to finish her up, and it's going to be going up for sale next. Okay, you need a vintage H2 restored. I'm your guy. I'm quick. Pretty inexpensive, and you get what you pay for. There it is. Thanks.